Hey guys, it's Ivy. It's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 deals. Let's get right into it because I'm in a store that I am not familiar with. You're going to pick up one advanced warmer at $4. It's a $4 coupon. Expires this week. Two Mucinex cough caplets, 4 count. They are $4.65. It is two $3 coupon for those. One Kinder Bueno 2 count candy bar. It's $1.40. It's a $1.40 coupon. One Febreze air spray. They are $3.25. It is a $2.30 coupon. One Febreze double plug warmer. It is $3.50 is a $3.30 coupon, and one Angel soft tissue 4 count. They are $3.95. It is a $1 coupon, but we're gonna look at every coupon. Okay, the candy bar is $1.40. It is a $1.40 coupon that expires on the 15th. That item is free. We're gonna do the warmer. Okay, the warmer is $4. It is a $4 coupon that expires on the 8th. That is Saturday. Then we're going to do the Mucinex. Remember to add these in twice. Let me see. They are $4.65, and you have two $3 coupons. One expired on the 8th. No, they both are old, so we got a while for them. Okay. One Febreze Air, $3.25, and you have a $2.30 coupon. One Febreze plug, $3.50. You have a $3.30 coupon, making that 20 cents. Then we're gonna do the Angel soft tissue, and it is $3.95, and we have a $1 coupon. So let's do the math. As usual, guys, do not forget to download your 5 off 25 coupon, okay? That's your most important store-wide coupon. So let's get to the math. Okay, the Febreze plug is $4. The Febreze air care is $3.25. The advanced warmer is $4. The Kinder Bueno is $1.40. The Mucinex are $4.65 each, and the tissue is $3.95. $25.90 is your total. Take your 5 off 25. Take your $1.40 off your candy bar. Take your $4 off of your plug. Take your $3.30 off of your other Febreze warmer. Take your $2.30 off of your Febreze spray. Take your $3 off your Mucinex twice, and take your $1 off your Angel Soft. $2.90. This is awesome. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. Divide that by 7, 41 cents each, guys. Like, this is a real deal. Please go and watch that video where I told you it was the Dollar General recap of the week. That is where you're going to see the awesome deals that I go through and let you know which each one is on. Guys, this is 41 cents. You're getting 41 cent Angel Soft. 41 cents. Let's get to another great, awesome deal. But I'm going to try and mix and match them because I know sometimes these freebies are not available, okay? Hey guys, this next deal right here, I went over in my Dollar General recap of those glitches and BOGOs on Thursday. So go and watch that video before you go do your 5 off 25 deal. You're going to grab 2 Swiffer wet mops and 1 advanced warmer, okay? The advanced warmer went over. It is $4. It's a $4 coupon. We're going to scan the Swiffer wet mops, okay? We're going to scan the Swiffer wet mops right here, and they are $10, but it is a BOGO. Buy one, get one, get $10 off. Okay, so you should buy the one that equals $10 so you can get the other one for free. So let's do the math. That is an awesome deal. I want you guys to just look at it. So 10 times 2 is 20, plus the advanced warmer is $4. Then you need to add on $1. Go to the dollar aisle, get the free tissue, whatever you have to get. Take you to $25. Take your 5 off 25 store coupon. Take your $4 off your advanced warmer, and take your $10 off your Swiffer wet mop. $6. Divide that by 3. You're going to pay $2 each, guys. This right here is $2. Now, if you can beat a $2 deal, let me know where you can beat it at, okay? $2. Let's get to another deal. Okay, guys, let's go to this next deal. It involves 2 detergents and a tissue, okay, a paper towel. So we already know how much this is, and we know how much those are. We're only going to look at the things that we do not know the coupon price of it. So we're going to scan the Arm & Hammer right here, okay? The Arm & Hammer is $6. You have a $2 coupon. It expires 3/1. You have the purse seal. Turn that purse seal so you can scan it. That purse seal is $5.50, and you have 2 coupons going. $2 off that expires on the 8th, and then you have the spend 15 save 5 that also expires on the 8th. But we're not going to get them. So let's go ahead and concentrate on these 5 items that we have, okay? Don't forget your 5 off 25 coupon. Make sure you clip it. $3.95 for the Angel Soft Tissue. You're going to pay $4.65 for the Mucinex, $4 for the warmer, $5.50 for the purse seal, and $6 for the Arm & Hammer. Leave you at $24.10. You're going to add 90 cents on piece of candy, whatever you need. Take you to $25. Now let's take our 5 off 25 store-wide coupon. Take our $1 off the Angel Soft. Take our $3 off of the Mucinex. Take our $4 off the Advance. Take 2 off the purse seal and 2 off the Arm & Hammer. $8, guys. Divide that by 5. $1.60. Like, you're really paying $1.60 for a purse seal and the Arm & Hammer. Now the purse seal is $5.50 and the Arm & Hammer is $6, and $8 was your total for this. So guess what, guys? For your complete total, you didn't even pay that much for each one of those, okay? So that is an awesome deal. $1.60. Okay, let's get to our next deal. Guys, let's get to our next deal. Then after that, we're going to do some substitutes, okay? We're going to pick up 1 Advanced Warmer, 2 at $4 coupon, 2 Mr. Cleans at $6. It is a $6 off 2 coupon. If you can find a clearance, that's $4 each. The green ones, get those. You'll end up paying $1 a piece. But other than that, these will be $3 each. Then you're going to pick up 2 Febreze warmer double plugs at $5.50. They are buy one, get one free. So let's start scanning the ones we did not scan. Okay, that is $5.50, and it is save $5 on 2 Febreze products. So when it says save $5, that means you can get any Febreze product and they'll take $5 off. But since these are $5.50, those are the ones you want to pick up. Always max your price of the coupon, okay? That's what I do. I get my maximum value out of that coupon. Pick up 2 of the Mr. Cleans at $6. Then you have a save $6 off 2 Mr. Clean. That is the same thing. When you buy one Mr. Clean at $6, you'll save another $6 when you buy another one. Okay, you must buy 2. Now, if you find that one for $4, get the one for $4, guys. But if not, match that coupon out. Okay, let's do the math on here. Now, the Advanced Warmer is at $4. The Mr. Cleans are at $6 each, and the Febreze plugs are at $5.50 each. Take you to $27. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 4 off the Advance. Take your 6 off of the Mr. Clean, and take your $5 off of the Febreze plug. Leave you at $7. Divide that by 5. $1.40. That's how much you're paying for these items. $1.40. Now, I remember I paid a penny for these, but they were years ago. This is $1.40 if you do it on 5 off of 25 scenario. Beginners, this is the time for you. Okay, let's do some substitutes, guys. You might want to earn. Go ahead over here. You want to pick up this Glade right here. The Glade is $6. You have a $2 off coupon, making that $4. Right here, you have the Lysol. The Lysol is $7.35. It is a $3 coupon. That is considered high value. Grab that if you need it, guys. Don't forget your extra right here. Your extra is $5.75. It's a $2 coupon. And if you could find a extra with a coupon on top of it, you're doing even better. I do not see it on this one, okay? So just make sure you pay attention to that. Now, if you need a bigger washing powder, you can always do the Pyrex at $10. It's a $2 coupon off on that, guys. That is an awesome deal, okay? Always pay attention to your deals, okay? Now let's go over here, and I think we can go to the finish. tax-free can. The finish is $5, and when you scan it, it shows you that it's $5. It is two $2 coupons, making those $3. Now, if you find this finish right here, Jet Dry, it is $4.95, and it'll take an extra 5 cents off, guys. Every penny counts. I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share all these coupon count. We don't gatekeep around here. Bye.